All right, we're gonna do an unboxing here. This is an item from fingerhut.com. It is a 2-in-1 laptop thing. I forgot the model number and everything. I'll go ahead and update the description later. And the reason I'm doing this is because, one, I want to make sure that I have proof if the item is damaged or not the way it should be. I saw a lot of bad reviews on the Fingerhut on this item here. So it's basically a tablet that has an attachable keyboard, but it has a Windows operating system. So yeah, so let's go ahead and just unbox that here real quick. Grab my knife out real quick. It'll also go good on the YouTube channel. So shit. All right. Go ahead and it's pretty light. The description said the actual tablet's only a pound when it's not attached to the keyboard. So shit, motherfucker. Sorry about the camera thing, guys. I do not have a camera stand yet, and I did have a really good laptop, but it wound up getting wet, too much moisture while camping in a tent. So Geek Squad says it's going to cost about $200 to fix it, and I will not have the ability to get another one from College Bookstore with my funding anytime soon. So I decided to go and use my credit off of Fingerhut for this cheap little thing to get me by for now. It's not going to be good for gaming or anything, so it's just something, you know, that's going to help. It's going to be a little bit better than doing everything on a phone. Alright, so alright, here we go. It's called the AVGO 10-inch 2-in-1 laptop tablet with detachable keyboard, model number N0QB5NOXQI, or 1, probably an I. That's the manual, everything. Yeah, so all the reviews on Fingerhut for this thing was absolutely terrible. I saw hundreds and hundreds of reviews that were negative reviews. A lot of bad stuff about this, saying that their things were damaged upon arrival, or that it didn't work after they started it up, or whatever. So, yeah, just wanted proof in case mine was damaged like everyone else's or wasn't working, and it'd go nice on the YouTube channel. So this is a sleeve. It looks like it was, you know, packaged pretty well already. Okay, so you can see this thing. This is about how big it is. Oh wow, this is an actual. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any surface scratches or anything. The sticker, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of glaring. The sticker does show some signs of peeling on the side. You can't really see it with this camera here. Okay. Alright, looks like it has a headphone jack, USB port, a couple other ports there. At least says USB port. Okay, look, micro SD card slot there. That's pretty neat. For some reason, every micro SD card I get winds up getting damaged or doesn't work or something. So let's go ahead and flip it open here and turn it on, see if it works. Oh wow, look at this! Look how tiny this is. This is smaller than the Dell Inspiron Mini 10, which I used to have. They've come out with newer models since then. Okay, I have no idea how to turn this on. These are. Imagine it's something like a phone. Oh, there we go. Yes, it is. Just like a phone. Okay. I sure hope this works, guys, because I really don't have the money right now with all my expenses. And I'm about $9,000 in debt. And kind of unfortunate, So it looks like it powered on. The button there is blue for the power. I'm sure it's going to give me a power gauge once it's on, as long as it turns on and everything.
If you have come this far in our video and have enjoyed the content from Game Master Production Studio, we ask that you please press the like button for this video.
Oh, shit. Okay. A little loading screen there. Another good thing about this is, you know, I really only had two options living in a tent right now, because I needed to get a laptop that did not have a fan. There are a lot of models that actually blow the air in, and that's actually how my other two laptops were that wound up getting damaged out here in a tent because of all the moisture. So I had two options. I could either get this basically for free off of Fingerhut, or I could get an HP Stream. Now, I did have an HP Stream early last year before I had my better laptop. It was okay, you know, but, you know, I didn't really want to spend money out of pocket, and so this was my option to get something free. Not really free, but, you know, it's $15 a month I have to pay, and I had enough credit in my account to get it, so I figured, what the heck, this was my best option. It's going to be good for my schoolwork. I am switching from Joliet Junior College to St. Francis University here in Joliet. I had to have something for my schoolwork. Have to have something a little bit better than my phone for YouTube and Facebook, definitely. Also a keyboard. Okay, looks like it powered on okay. I don't see anything wrong with the screen. I don't see any scratches. Okay, there are signs of wear up here, like it has been used before. Up here you can see the scuff marks and everything. So obviously this is a used, it's either used or it was poorly managed. Okay, I don't know what happened. The power just went off for some reason. I didn't touch anything. So we're powering it back on. To see what's going on here. I sure hope this thing works. I mean, you know, my theory is Fingerhut gets all these. Oh, it just powered off again. Why is it doing that? It's not powering on. Blue usually means, you know, good power, right? It's usually red when it's not. That's not a good sign, because it just shut off on me twice now. That is my light from my camera. Sorry for the glare. This better freaking work, because I really don't have any other option right now until I can get my next refund check or my next paycheck. Okay, it says see advanced repair options. Restart my computer. It's supposed to be a touchscreen too, so I don't really know here. It says recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. Okay. So right out of the box, Windows is not loading correctly, and it's supposed to be a touch screen. Also, I'm not seeing that option available. It's not letting me do anything. So let me just see F8. It looks like it. Okay, here we go. It's not okay. It's on its side. Exit and continue to Windows 10. All right, enter. Let's hope this works. I hope this works. Yeah, I have no idea why it shut off on me twice now. It's not even that cold, so obviously the coldness isn't going to affect it. Yeah, power just shut off again, guys. It looks like this item from Fingerhut is not working right. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the video at that, and we'll see about a return. Bye.